Shannon Wood here. I just wanted to go through a beautiful artist in Whitney Houston and her songs and what they reduce using my TAT theorem. Now, my TAT theorem works. I want you to critique it if you are a mathematician or a statistician or a physicist even. Songs can be reduced to a number based on their legacy and their feeling. It is huge. It is a huge breakthrough that no one seems to believe. They think I'm crazy. Now let's have a look at some Whitney Houston songs. I Will Always Love You. It is in the title. It is a 9 song. It is a closure. We work out the title, which is 261, adds to 261. I Will Always Love You with my letter system. Whitney Houston, W is a 23, H is an 8, I, etc. And Whitney Houston adds to a 216. Now the title plus artist plus title theorem is, you can see there that we've got the title. If it doesn't hit a 5, 7 or a 12 after the title and the artist, we stop if the title and the artist add to a 5, 7 or a 12. You can see here though that the title plus artist plus title theorem states that the title 261 twice and Whitney Houston 216 adds to 738. 7 plus 3 is 10, plus 8 is 18, and 1 plus 8 is 9. Isn't this a 9 song? I Will Always Love You. It's the end of a chapter. What about I Want to Dance with Somebody? You're going to see quite a few 12s here. The title adds to 4, the artist adds to 9, and together they form an 8. It's a power song. I Want to Dance with Somebody. I Want to Dance with Somebody is a power song. That's why it's an 8. Now, I Have Nothing as a song. I Have Nothing. The reduction is a 6. The title is a 6. The artist is still a 9. And together, when we bring them together, it's a 12. 12 is love and expression. And look how many love and expression songs Whitney Houston has. Now, Higher Love is an 11, which is connection. Higher Love being a 1, the artist being a 9, and 1 plus 1 plus 9 is 11, which is a connection song. How will I know? Well, how will I know totals to 174? And that triggers a stop because 1 plus 7 plus 4 is 12. How will I know is a love song. Okay, love and expression. Saving All My Love for You. Saving All My Love for You. The reduction is a 19. 1 plus 9 is 10, which is 1. The artist is a 9. And you can see there that it's a perfect 2 because 7 plus 9 plus 4 is 16 is 20. But that is connection. Again, a connection song. So far we've got a power song, we've got connection, we've got love and expression. The greatest love of all. Let's skip through that. That's a 12 song. Now the odds of getting 5 out of 10 are actually quite rare. My Love Is Your Love. My Love Is Your Love is a power song. It's an 8. Where Do Broken Hearts Go is a 12. Where Do Broken Hearts Go? A 6 for the title. We don't stop there. The artist is a 9. And when we combine 6, 7 and 8, we get 21, which again is love expressed. Okay, When You Believe is also a 12 song. When You Believe reduces to a 9. The artist reduces to a 12. Whitney Houston and Mariah Carey reduced to a 12. Now our stop rule's triggered because the title plus the artist is 21, which reduces to a 3. If it's a 3, a 5, a 7, we stop under the title plus our artist. And you can see there that it is a perfect 12 or 3. Now, what are the chances? What are the chances of getting 1, 2, 2 out of 3, 3 out of 4, 3 out of 5, 4 out of 6, 4 out of 7, 4 out of 8, 5 out of 9, 6 out of 10, 5 out of 10. What are the odds of getting a 5 out of 10? Let's have a look. Let's go to ChatGPT and ask. What are the odds of getting a 3 5 times out of 10? You've got to understand that songs are not random. Whitney Houston sings a lot of songs about love and connection. We've got 7 out of 10, which are about either love, 3, expression, 3, or connection. And she's got a couple of power songs as well. Let's have a look at the odds. Now tell me that songs don't have meaning. Well, songs of course have meaning, but what we also need to realise is that songs and their reduction and their numbers mean something. 1 is the beginning. 2 is 2 is connection, which is also an 11. 3 is love and connection, love and expression, and it can be reduced. Well, 12 reduces to a 3. So 3 is like 12, let's just say. 4 is structure. We don't have a structure song. 5 is chaos. She hasn't sung about chaos. 6 is creation after chaos. She hasn't sung about creation after chaos. 7 is like faith, belief, posing a question. 8 is power. She's got a couple of power songs. They're really powerful, beautiful songs, beautiful ballads. And 9 is completion. If 3 out of 1, if 3 is 1 out of 9 equally, the chances of getting that is 0.24%. It shows, if I can continually show you time after time, what a beautiful song that is. If I can show you time after time again, as particular, even just looking at a particular artist like Whitney Houston, you know, I'll look at Red Hot Chili Peppers, I'll look at Metallica, I'll look at all these songs, and it just so happens to be that one of my favourite artists, Clanker Russell, he has like 6 songs out of 10, which is an 8, about power and the sun. So there you go. Hopefully you're starting to believe, but I think I need to prove it more so people don't think I'm crazy.